Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Motorola Moto G72. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, open the app. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization, also do it later. Set up for data sharing preferences next. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And finally, we can start browsing, so open any website. And here, as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.